Hi everyone, I'm Katrina from Scrummy and today I made this classic apple tray bake. We've all got lots of apples at the minute and this tray bake is a fantastic way to use them up. It's simple, spiced and full of flavour, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to make. Let's get baking. Alright, so to get started, in here I've got 225 grams of butter. You can use margarine either. And I'm going to add in 200 grams of sugar. We're going to mix this now for a couple of minutes until it gets nice and soft and fluffy. I've got 4 eggs here. I'm going to add one at a time while I beat them in. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of milk, 250 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder. This is optional. It'll give the cake a little bit of an extra rise if you add it. And I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to mix all this together. Okay, next up it's the cooking apples. I'm using 300 grams of Bramley cooking apples. I've cut them up nice and small like that. A good way to prevent them from going brown is to just squeeze a little lemon juice on them and it'll keep them nice and white. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of flour to them. Just going to coat them in flour. This will help prevent them from sinking to the bottom. Stir that in. If you wanted to make this a little bit different, you could add some raisins or sultanas to it, about 50 grams, and it'd be lovely as well. Okay, let's get them in there. And I'm going to fold these in. Gently fold them in like that. I'm going to set this to one side for a minute. Get my tin. It's a 9x9 tin, but I will include the measurements for the bigger tin, the 9x12, because I know some of you like that size tray bake. I always like to grease and line it as well. Just when it comes to tray bakes, it's a lot easier to get them out if you do line them. So get all your mixture in there. Okay, so spread it out, right out to the edges and the corners. Just level it, make sure it's level too. I've got 150 grams of apple here. I'm just going to slice these and layer them on the top. It just gives a nice look when it's baked. I've got 2 tablespoons of demerara sugar here and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix them together and I'm going to sprinkle this over the top. This is optional, this step. If you don't want to do this, you could add a little bit of apricot jam to it when it's baked, when it's nice and hot, and it'll give it a nice shine. This is ready for the oven now and it's going to take about 45 minutes, so let's get it into the oven. Just look at that golden top, it smells amazing. I've cut it into 16 slices. You could cut it into 12 either if you want a bigger slice. It's got lovely soft apples inside and a nice light sponge. And you can see the apples there, so they haven't sunken to the bottoms. I'm serving this with a little custard, simple, homely and delicious. It tastes absolutely gorgeous. The flavours in there are just beautiful. This apple tray bake is such an easy recipe and it's a great way to use up a few apples, and it's always a crowd pleaser. If you give it a go, let me know what you think. I always love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the apple tray bake. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy. See you soon.